How to fix audio problem in Windows 11. Hey everyone, let's get started. So first of all, on your device, tap on the search bar and tap in Control Panel and hit the Enter button. Once that is done, you will see this interface. Hereby, scroll down and click on Sound. Once the new tab is open, what you can do is right-click on Speaker and then disable it and enable it again. This should fix your problem. If not, what you can do is go to its properties. Once you open the properties, the first thing that you can check is go to its properties and check the device status. If it is working fine, it's fine and you can close it. For the next solution, you can click on levels and arrange the sound level or audio output. Make sure that the sound or the output is audible, and you can also balance the left and right side according to your wish. After that, you can go to advanced settings and make sure that you have ticked on this signal enhancement option. Once that is done, click on apply and click on OK. After that, you can restart your device and the sound problem or the audio problem should get fixed. For the next solution, you can update your system as well. For that, open your settings and go to Windows Update. Make sure that it is updated on time. That's it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.